In this video, I'm breaking down 5 reasons why cleaning businesses thrive during recessions when other businesses fail. And reason number 1, it's the truth most people don't realize, but it's exactly why cleaning businesses are bulletproof. Stick around to find out. I'm John Margulies, founder of Happy Home Helpers, a 7-figure remote cleaning business, and Rags to Riches University, where I help people like you start a profitable cleaning business using nothing but a phone and laptop. I'm also a special consultant for Jobber, the leading software for home service businesses. I was featured several times on Jobber's podcast, and I was a keynote speaker at the 2025 Jobber Summit. And just so you're confident you're getting expert advice from someone who really knows how to grow a cleaning business, here's my total revenue from last year in 2024. I'm filtering this report to show you January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024. And you can see that I processed $1,330,668.45 in what was widely considered to be a down economy heading towards a recession. Now, counting backwards and starting with number 5, the 5th reason why cleaning businesses are recession-proof is rock-solid recurring revenue. This business thrives because of incredible customer loyalty. Once clients find a cleaner they trust, they almost never switch, and that locks in recurring revenue year after year. If you think about it, cleaning someone's home is unlike any other home service. It's intimate, and it's highly personalized. Cleaners are often left alone in bedrooms. They're organizing people's personal items, making people's beds. Cleaners become part of the household, but landscapers and poolmen, they never set foot inside. According to ZenMaid, cleaning businesses report monthly attrition of just 1 to 4%, so lifetime value of the customer increases while marketing costs keep going down. Imagine replacing only 2% of your clients each month. That means 98% are coming back consistently. And that's why residential cleaning isn't transactional, it's relational. That bond creates resilient, reliable income throughout recessions. You're not just another vendor, you're a trusted partner of people's homes and lives. Number 4, people move no matter what. And most moves create a guaranteed opportunity for cleaning work. Moving doesn't stop in a recession, it just shifts. People move for work, for school, because of job loss, divorce, downsizing, or just changing life circumstances. And all of those triggers, they don't disappear in hard times, they actually increase. In fact, in economic downturns, people often relocate more frequently. Job changes and financial pressure create the need to live in more affordable housing. But cleaning is often required by leases. Landlords and property managers require professional cleaning before a unit is turned over, especially if the tenant wants their security deposit back. So now you're tapping into non-discretionary demand. These aren't maybe jobs, these are musts. Clients don't shop around as aggressively. They're in transition and they're on a deadline. So if you answer the phone and make it easy, they'll book with you on the spot. But this isn't just recurring work, it's predictably triggered work. Recession or not, people always need a place to live, and every move leaves a mess behind. Reason number 3, a lot of people can't physically clean, and they're some of the most loyal, consistent clients you'll ever have. Elderly people who have trouble with mobility, people of all ages with disabilities, and injured or post-surgery clients. In this case, hiring cleaning help isn't a luxury service for this group. It's an essential support system. Even if inflation hits or the economy dips, these clients don't cancel, because the alternative is risking injury or living in unsafe, unsanitary conditions. But the cost is usually covered by retirement savings, disability benefits, adult children, or long-term care plans. And serving this group builds goodwill in the community. The result is referrals from family members, social workers, even hospice agencies. When someone's health is on the line, cleaning becomes a form of essential care. Reason number 2, rise in remote work. Since the pandemic, more people are working from home than ever. And that shift, it creates a massive permanent spike in residential cleaning demand. When you spend more time at home, you cook more, you have more dishes, you have more mess. You pace, you snack, you work, you rest, all in the same place. Your house becomes your office, break room, and gym. And now, it gets dirtier way faster. People notice the mess more, and they can't escape it. Unlike before, when the home was just a place to crash at night, people now experience every speck of dust, cluttered counter, and dirty floor in real time. So 27.5% of US employees now work remotely full-time or part-time. And a 2022 survey by MaidPro found that 69% of work-from-home respondents said they clean more frequently than they did before the pandemic. Thumbtack and HomeAdvisor both reported increased bookings for cleaning services year over year post-pandemic, especially in dual-income and remote working households. But when the home is also an office, people are way more willing to spend money to keep it clean, because it affects their productivity, focus, and mood. But this isn't a passing trend. Remote and hybrid work are here to stay, and the mess that comes with it is permanent. So the rise of home as the new office has created a whole new category of predictable, recurring demand. You're not just cleaning, you're creating peace of mind for people trying to balance Zoom calls, kids, and laundry piles. If you want my complete blueprint for starting your own 6 or even 7-figure remote cleaning business, I put together a step-by-step training that you can get access to right now on my website, johnmargalite.com. And now for the number one reason, the one nobody talks about, that cleanliness is a physiological need. This is the real reason why residential cleaning businesses are recession-proof. Maslow's famous pyramid starts at the base with air, water, food, shelter, sleep, and hygiene. Hygiene is right up there with food and water. It's part of the foundation, not the top. Without basic cleanliness, people get sick. Their stress goes up, their focus collapses. You can't build a fulfilling life when your environment is chaos. Cleanliness doesn't just affect your health. It shapes your mental clarity, emotional well-being, and daily energy levels. That's not a nice to have. That's survival. And when people cut costs, they cut what's optional, but they don't cut what makes them feel safe, sane, and in control. Residential cleaning becomes one of the last expenses to go because the alternative is living in filth. And once someone builds that habit of paying for peace, hygiene, and headspace, it sticks. It's not about selling a clean house. It's about selling relief. And when the world feels uncertain, people crave control. A clean home gives them that. It's one of the few things they can control. So you're not competing with luxury services. You're sitting right alongside food, delivery, healthcare, and electricity. You're fulfilling a fundamental biological need, and those needs never go away, no matter what the economy does. This business works because humans need clean spaces, not want, need. So the next time someone tells you cleaning is just a side hustle, remember this. It's one of the few businesses built on human nature itself. Mess is inevitable. Cleanliness is survival. And when the world gets messy, you stay booked. And if you want help getting your first client or your next 50, I got you. Links below. Keep it clean, keep it cash flowing. I'll see you in the next one.